Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your contacts on Mailchimp. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mailchimp application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to edit your existing contacts, then tap on Audience at the bottom section. You will now find your subscriber and your contact number. Tap on this and you will be shown the list of all of your contacts. Now tap on the contact that you want to edit and you will find the edit button at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be allowed to edit all of the information about this contact. You can edit their email address, their address, the first and their last name, as well as the phone number. You can also choose to either enable or disable VIP status. Then tap on the tag option to add tags. And after setting up all of your information, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and your changes will be saved right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your contacts on Mailchimp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.